Right. I want to make this video to try and demonstrate my little barcode system, because I don't seem to be having much luck otherwise. So anyway, this just started it up, just waiting for it to come to life. So it's in a box form just to demonstrate the portability of this unit. If you were going to use this part of the functionality as a mobile device, right there you can see it says Wi-Fi connected. That's the first thing it does. It connects to Wi-Fi, and now it's telling you that everything's ready. Now the connected on the actual screen there, or the word connected on the second line, becomes disconnected if I unplug the reader, but the system stays active. Now what do I mean by that? Well, let's just demonstrate what it's like as a standalone unit, in terms of if we wanted to use this. If I just go back into the screen, so it's now reconnected. Now if we scan something, so we'll just pick an example. I'll pick this empty Coke bottle here. So I've got the barcode there, which we'll scan, and there it's saying it's been added to the database. It wasn't there before because it didn't recognize it, but it's added it straight away. Now if I scan that again, it says unknown product in database. Now what does that mean? That means that it's already added it. It knows or recognizes the code, but it doesn't know what it actually relates to. That's got to be set manually, for now anyway. But yeah, so now if we tried that with something that's already been added, like this hair gel for example, just happened to be lying around, so I thought I'd add it. Alright, we'll scan that, and as you can see it says Alberta Balsam quantity 1. The 2 is just the size. It's supposed to be 200ml, but it just didn't fit on the screen, so it's a 200ml, I think, somewhere. There you go. But yeah, that again, that can be easily modified. It's not an issue. If we try something else, like my cigarettes here. There we go. And there you have Palmol 20 pack of 1. So that's just what it's doing in its standalone form. So this would be, in this function, it would be used as your stock checker. You could literally walk around with this, obviously in a better container, smaller, more, you know, just be more condensed. This is just a demonstration, but yeah, obviously that'd be your reader, and then you just scan and off you go. Right, now how does this actually work? Where does it, like, what happened to the database? Right, so what do we do? Now because this is connected to Wi-Fi, it told us what address it had at the beginning. Now you can type in the actual address, or you can just give it a more friendly name. So in this case, I've given it the friendly name stock system. So this will work on any browser. Yeah, it just says stock system. Yeah, any browser, phone, mobile device, iPad, whatever. As long as it's all connected to the same network, then it'll work. Right, so here now we've got our stock system. So the first thing is, obviously we don't want anybody to have access to this. So there's a login feature. This would be for the back end for the office, but you know, there's this. Yeah. So anyway, so we will log into it so that we've got access. Obviously, there's built-in security